Yeah. So today I will be presenting the individual reflection of the product that I have completed for the master's project of the module 7415. The product is SimInt, Simulated Intelligence Web-based System, and I'm Yelani Surige, holding the student number 30 42 80 57. So let's move on today's agenda. So I'll be discussing in this presentation a brief introduction for our product, the contributions and the three major contributions of myself to this product development, and some of unique experiences and learning that I have gained throughout this project duration, and some of my suggestions that I think which is better to improve this course. So let's move on for introducing my product. So giving a small background of what we have created, and um, I have also contributed. So the product that we have developed is a web-based application. So that web-based application is a role-based application where there are two major roles, that is the analyst and the supervisor. So the supervisor acts as the admin in this product. So this role-based web application was built to manage open source intelligence report handling process. That means to insert, to approve, to delete, or to edit any intelligence report submitted by an analyst. It is a centralized platform for submitting, managing, and reviewing intelligence report efficiently. And yeah, this all the reports that have been submitted by a team of analysts will be saved into one centralized database. The problem statement is, that means the problem uh, of the current process or the product which brought us to give a solution of building our product was that currently this open source intelligence report process was very inefficient because it was handled manually in very inconsistent formats, and it mainly lacked a centralized management. It didn't have a central database. Different reports by different analysts was separated manually on their computers separately, and that was mainly because there was an absence of role-based access control, which made the relationship between the analyst and the supervisor further apart. So our project goal to create the product that I will be demonstrating in the upcoming slides is to build a centralized, secure web platform that streamlines the open source intelligence report handling, enforcing role-based access, and enhances report management. Through supervisor approvals and real-time visibility. That is the simple background and what led to this building of the product, and what our common goal was to build this product. So if I talk about contributions, actually I possess skills in my career experience in Java and SQL as a developer and a QA engineer. Even though this product was built using PHP Code Igniter framework, I learned it from scratch. Even though I didn't have a very good knowledge on PHP, I was still not new for my programming skills. So I made use of the skills that I had to improve my knowledge on PHP, and I learned it from scratch. So the role of myself in this product was that I worked as a full stack developer, worked on developing the front end of the system using Bootstrap, and back end with PHP Code Igniter. So the time allocation was, we worked in developing this product for three continuous sprints, and I had a fixed time schedule of nearly 35 and sometimes a bit more than 35 hours per each sprint to complete all tasks, and myself, I was able to complete all my tasks at the end of sprint 3. So, myself working as a full stack developer in this product development process, I contributed in three major aspects in the three different sprints. We followed an agile software development methodology. According to that, in sprint one, I engaged myself in requirements gathering on all analyst functionality. So my part of this project or the product was building all the functionalities for the analyst role. So first of all, I made myself very clear with the problem that I had, and we developed on the solution. And for this solution, I made sure I have to gather all the requirements, and with my background research study on the analyst role functionalities, I gathered the requirements, documented it, and created the SRS document on the analyst role functionalities. Then in the second sprint, I mainly focused on designing the role-based login and all analyst functionalities. So this system, as we talked before, this platform is both for analysts and supervisors. So my part, I developed the role-based login and the analyst functionalities. So in sprint 2, what I did was designing the user interfaces and the back-end logic for this. A role-based login and analyst functionality. So the tools that I used in this is actually I used Figma to create the design. So developing the third sprint, I fully focused on developing the role-based login and all analyst functionalities. I finished all of my development at the end of the sprint 3. So in developing, I used PHP Storm, and I used the Code Igniter framework, and I used the XAMPP and Postgres for database management. Also, at the end of the three sprints and the end of the development, I created user manuals for both the analyst and the supervisor separately. Okay, I will show the evidence of completion. So this is my product. This is the live product, whereas this is my local product. So I will log in from both the systems. Yeah, so this is the view of the local, this is the view in the live system, and this is the view in the local system, which are pretty much the same. So first of all, I'll show you my project platform. So this is PHP Storm. This is where I have created my developments, the codings. So this is the analyst section. The dash I've developed. This is the MVC architecture, where C is the controller, models, and the views. So in the views, I've created the dashboard, then approved reports, calendar, edit reports, intelligence data form, my reports, pending reports, view all reports, view reports. All these files was created by myself. And now I'll show you the exam. We have used the control. I have used the control panel exam to do all my Postgres and database management. And this is the control panel that I've used for the database management. And this is the Postgres, where I Postgres database, where we have used our databases. Even though our database is created by our business analyst, I have always modified the tables in our database for the requirements. So these are the tables that we have used in our project or the product. So I will show you these the screens. So this is the insert reports. So this in here, this is inserting the report to the system. And this also shows all the list of reports that a user can a logged in user has submitted to the system. Through this, the user can view, edit, and delete a report if required. And the report submitted will show you all the reports submitted by all the analysts in the team. So these are all the data which was provided by the client in the given database. So the same functionalities are in there my local. So this is adding a new report. This is a new report, and this is the my reports page, which I will show you. This is my local test reports, and these are the reports submitted. This was the same as which was in the live. So those are my local product. This is the live product. This is the control panel for the database management, and this is the database, and this is my PHP, my admin development platform. So this is the evidence of work that I have uh, created. So thank you. Yeah. After the evidence of contribution, I will move on to the unique experiences and learning that I have obtained from this project. So I have learned the database management with PostgreSQL, which was a new skill for me, and also MVC architecture, the web application development MVC architecture, which gave a clear and concise and efficient project development using the Code Igniter framework. Also, a new lens in software development in agile methodology was discovered throughout this project, because myself I engaged in all parts of this agile development methodology, which gave me new insights about the agile methodology. So the most new and the unique experience that I have learned was dealing with different clients, because we had two clients in our project, product development. So I got this new experience in client management based on software requirements, in different aspects, gathering requirements in from different clients with different backgrounds. So yes, and the most important was the presentation skills, which we will get very rarely even in industry, which every member of the team as well as me was engaged in presenting for our clients and for our university lecturers, which improved my presentation skills gradually. So, if I talk about this course gave me a lot of insights regarding development and opened my eyes for new paths. So, what I like the most in this course was the opportunity that I got to work in a real-time project with industrial clients on a working product. The reason that I like this most because it gave me the opportunity to learn a new stack of skills, to learn from scratch and to apply them on a project, help me to grant these skills more and engage in them. So also, even though this is a very good course, I had some least likes as well, because the time duration for this project was very limited. So I would suggest to increase the time duration of the project, so which will improve in different aspects of doing this product development, in improving our individual skill sets, as well as giving a good improved and well developed product to the client at the end of the project development. So those are my suggestions of this course improvements. That is the end of my individual reflection on the product project, simulated intelligence web application. Thank you.